Certified members can train and consult others under this exclusive brand, a brand that carries instant credibility. The Social Traffic brand value is directly proportionate to the standard below which we refuse to certify students. Everyone on Facebook wants to be heard, 256 million of them. Social networking isn't about networking to find thousands of new friends. How many friends can one human brain manage? Of those who have more than 500 friends in Facebook, less than 3% engage in consistent two-way communication. Social networking is about advertising our profiles to source a more targeted, better quality audience for our life story. Social Traffic's social media marketing courses are not about hope. If it's hope that you're looking for, buy a lottery ticket. The outcome for all but a lucky few will be the same. Social Traffic's not about feeding anybody a fish for a day, only to have them line up again for more the next day. Social Traffic's a course for the Type A personality who wants to learn how to fish. Social Traffic teaches its community knowledge and understanding that will feed them for a lifetime. Students learn how to understand social media. Social Traffic teaches you how to think when approaching social media, how to add value to influencers who will start to see you as a valuable leader in the community. Social Traffic shows you how to plan and execute strategies that will work for you well into the future. The training and networking opportunities available to you as a Social Traffic student will put you in front of the wave in what is a fast-paced business environment. Without it, you're likely to spend the rest of your career 1, 2, or 3 steps behind the wave. Let's hear what others around the world are saying about Simon U. Ford, his Social Traffic book, and the classes he developed to help others.
Using this course, what I began to realize is that Simon has taken something that really doesn't exist. He has taken social media and he's working with how they interact with one another. It's no longer just Google. And then there's Facebook. And then there's YouTube. And then there's other things. And there's so many I had no idea what to keep up with. But he is looking at how they interact with one another and how what you do on one or the other affects your presence on the web. Now that's very relevant to me because presence on the web is what I'm after. And what I'm after is seeing how these things are about business. Business relates to presence. What I found in doing the course is there was an incredible amount I didn't know. And not only did I not know it, I had no idea. I didn't even know it. I didn't know I didn't know. Okay? That's very eye-opening to me.
Teaching style is actually incredibly thorough. He lays an excellent foundation and combines media, which I think is important. He's written his book, as I mentioned, Social Traffic. He also disseminates that same book on audio for those who listen better in an audio style. He does a combination of video, and then we also have a weekly conference call which allows people to interact with each other and also to ask questions, and I find that very useful as well.
I'm a great believer in where the rubber hits the road, and what I just want to say is that, for example, my hits per day on my website were about 420 in January. Right? Now, since I've been working with Simon, that's actually gone up to over 2,100 average hits per day. And that's just been from implementing the strategies, just that I've been learning as I go along. I haven't even ramped them up to the level that I could. So that in itself is just real proof that once you start employing the strategies, it really starts to transform your business.
I can't say enough for Simon, his level and quality of engagement with us as individuals, his level of content and credibility and seriousness in terms of applying this stuff. And the fact that you learn and do is a major piece of difference between this course and anything else you could find out there. As a marketing branding professional, I recommend this course. In fact, I know that my competitors will want to take this course.
Okay, we're back here at Tagzilla, my website. As you can see in the address bar, A couple of things I wanted to show you here. Let me bring the camera down. You can see my page rank is now at 3, and it had been bouncing between 2 and 3 before I started the social traffic course. So this has solidified my page rank and authority of Tagzilla. The other thing it's done, as I bring the camera over, you can see this is my Google Friend Connect bar down here. I started with 11 comments and now have 33, and I had 27 members, and after going through the training now have 82. So my site's gotten to be a lot better, a lot more of a social community. And one other cool piece that it's done for me, if I go over to an individual post here, this social media newspapers, you can see through the power of the community I was able to get 32 digs, and this had a big effect on solidifying my page rank of 3. So helping my Google Friend Connect, growing that, growing my page rank, and also getting lots of digs for my content. It's been a huge help, so if it's within your means, make the decision and jump on board today.